Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is about ticker symbol SENS for the company Senseonics. So I made previous few videos on this particular stock, and I'm making this video again because some news came on February 26th, which was Friday, and I want to show you that's a good news, exciting news. And if you're holding this particular stock, then definitely you should be taking advantage of the lower price, or you can say discounted price. So in this video I will talk about the company a little bit, then what I'm seeing in long term for this particular stock, also what are the news and what we are expecting in March, which is after today. So what news is coming in March, and some price action and some support and resistance, so that we can all take the advantage and make some quick profit. Anyway, if you find this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. We are here to make some profit. Anyway, so this is the website. You can go and you can look at their different products. So basically this is for the diabetic patient, and in my previous video I have shown you a graph that the number of diabetic patient in US is increasing. Not only US, I think all over the world is increasing, which is not a good thing, but for this particular thing, when there will be more diabetic patient, then the sale will be higher, and especially if they become a leader for some specific product, then definitely in long term they can get some quick money. And why I'm saying they can lead the market, let me show you. So the system they have, CGM, is continuous glucose monitoring system. They're calling it SENS. So what's that? So basically it has a small sensor, and it has a transmitter, and you also have a mobile app. So what's the sensor? Is a very small size, like you can see how small is it. So so they put it under the skin of your arm, and then there is a sensor, which the transmitter, sorry, there's the transmitter. You put the transmitter on your arm, so basically that transmitter collects the signal and it sends to your mobile app. So basically what happens continuously, like the sensor collects your glucose level in your blood, and the transmitter transmit it to your mobile phone. So the thing is, like, you do not need to poke your skin like each time to collect blood sample. Rather, you can use this machine, which is really good. Now why I'm saying leading, because the current product they have, like it serves 90-day, right? So with this system you can actively manage your diabetes simply for 90 days. That's the thing, like after 90 days you need to change it. So there is another market leader, which is Dexcom currently. So Dexcom, this is the leader, like for the CGM business. So this is the leader. And what product they have? Their product also like up to 90 days. So their system serves up to 90 days. So 90 days is the maximum in US. And if you look at Dexcom, their market share is 38 billion and the share price is $397. And compared to Dexcom, which provides 90 days, SENS also provides 90 days, but the market cap is only 1.27. The share price is 3.42. You can see, like, this is like 100 times more than SENS, and both of them provides a 90-day product. So I'm not comparing apple to apple, but you can see like both are the same. Now why I'm saying that SENS can lead the market, because of some other news. So currently they have another product which is for 180-day, and currently it is approved in Europe. It is approved in Europe. This is important. So they have a product, this is approved in Europe, but in US what happened? The FDA approval was delayed just because of COVID-19 pandemic. So if they have a product which is approved in Europe, and if it is approved in US, then 180-day will be something new for US, so they can lead the market. And not only that, 180-day, now they are talking about 365 days. You see, like 90 to 180, then 365, and this is very important. Like, then for entire 1 year, then you do not need to worry about anything. You have the sensor transmitter and you are good to go. And this one came on February 26, which was Friday. So Maybe you know about the news, maybe you do not know about the news. So go through the news. So they announces the FDA approval to continue the promised sensor clinical study in extended cohort of 365 days to gather feasibility data. So they got a FDA approval for some clinical study, and today announced the FDA approved a subgroup of promised study participants to continue a total of 365 days to gather feasibility data on the safety and accuracy of. So they got an initial FDA approval for 365 days. And also, if I go down, you see March here. Why March? So the other part is the 180-day duration the thing is happening. So in March, I think the study will be completed. So in March, which has like 4 weeks from now, we can hear some good news. Part of the study which is completing the 180-day duration in March. Okay, so in by March we will get some good news. So a couple of good news. So by March we might hear some good news on 180-day duration product. Also they're going to start 365 days, so which is also good news. And the other thing I also want to talk about their earning, because on March 4th aftermarket they will have their fourth quarter and full year 2020 earning release. And I'm not very excited about the earning, because when I looked their previous earning, it was missed, then it appeared, then again missed, and again I think just because of some share dilution, some share offering, their EPS is expected less than before. And it's very normal because when you offer some public sharing. But anyway, if you look for the company from 2017, 18, 19, you can see their revenues are increasing. Same thing, like when you look at their operating expenses, it's also increasing. So anyway, earning is not a big catalyst, but sometime before earning, sometimes share price can go higher. But I think this is the big news I'm talking about, like the 365 days which came on Friday. So this thing can move the share price. The final thing is when we looked at the price action, this is the most important thing, right? So the first time I think I made a video around, we were around 350, then we went up to 550, and then we started selling off. And you see, like currently we came so low, right? So it seems like the support around 3.4 or 3.5, that's a good support, even though we came a low, we came around 2.8, but you see that's a long wick. But the candle, the lower body of the candle for these and these, we are sitting at 3.4. So look at this support, 3.4 and $3. These are the support. You can always set some limit buy order. If the market is red, who knows, we can come up to $3. If not, you can just scoop some share around 3.4 or 3.5. Also look at the resistance, which is around 3.9 to $4, then around $4.4, then $5 and $5.37. So chances are if the market turns green, then this thing will bounce back definitely. If the earning is terrible, then it can come down, but it will go up again. Or if the earning is good, you can see some run up, and by March if there is some good news, then definitely this stock will retest this 5.5. and also I think this one will go to $10 soon, definitely. Now let's look at a 5-minute chart instead of a 10-minute chart. What we can see here, yeah, so the support I was saying around 3.4, you see, like that particular day it came down, then it went up and it bounced off that 3.4, went up all the way, it bounced off here, and after now on Friday we are sitting at here, right? So 3.4 looks like a good support, but in case if we break, we can come down to $3. And also I want to show that there is a gap here. You see, we jumped from 3 to 3.4. Whenever there is a gap and the stock comes down and fill the gap, this is a good sign. So normally it means that the stock price might not come below 3.4. There was a gap, it came down, and right away it was filled. You see, it came down, it went up. So 3.4 seems like a very good support. And then 3.4, then you can have an upside of $4. You can see many times that $4 was rejected. Then we have 4.35, and if we go up, then we have $5, 5.44. So you look at the lines, you can just pause the video and take a note of the support and resistance. But it seems to me that the stock is oversold currently. Let's look at a daily chart, what we are seeing. Oh no, the RSI is still like 51 because we had a good run up, but still, like you see on a daily chart, we are heavily beaten. So I think it's time to go back. And what about a weekly chart? let's quickly look how we are doing on a weekly chart. Yeah, so on a weekly chart, like you see consistently we are going higher, and the last week was red, and this is not only for this particular stock, like every share the stock market was red. So I'm not worried. When the market will bounce back, this will bounce back and we will see green lights again. So it's always helpful, like when you see at a weekly, then daily, then 5-minute chart, so you get the clear picture what's happening. And also, like if you want, you can try like the different option, call option. Previously I played with the July, because I was thinking end of summer they will have some news, so I was playing with July call option, and you see they're very cheap, like 3.5, and your premium is 1.6, so basically $5. By July, if the stock price goes to $5, then that's good, right? Or if there is a run up, your premium will go higher, you can sell your call option. And also we have seen that we have tested $5, so I think this is a very good premium, even looking at July, which is very far. If you want to just play a little risky, then maybe March 19th, which is like $84 only. But normally I would suggest, like, why take a risk? Go to April or July. You can just play the July one for 3.5 strike, or even $3 strike, or even 2.5. You see the difference is not that huge, right? It's very close. Like even if you take this $2 strike, your premium is 200, so basically you are looking at $4 by July. Currently we are at 3.4. Compared to that, you are looking at $5. So you see, like you can look at the delta. Normally I look at delta from barchart.com. You can look at the delta, and you can decide which call option you want to prefer, or if you want, write in your comments, then I can reply you back. Anyway, my friends, the whole purpose of this video is to talk about the recent news for this particular stock. I'm very bullish on this stock for long term, medium term, and also long and short term as well. So if you find this information useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care, my friends. Peace.